there, thank you for joining our Mobile Design Sprint Workshop activity resource videos, where we're walking you through how to run a mobile design sprint within your own company. My name is Emily Ferdinandi. I'm a mobile specialist at Google and a certified sprint master. Hopefully you've been able to join us for our previous videos where we've gone through what a mobile design sprint workshop is, and then the first few phases of the sprint, which is understand, sketch, and decide. With that, we'll move into our final phase, which is the prototype and validate stage. At this point, you should have gone through the lightning talks and the how might we's to identify, some ideas that you want to incorporate into your new mobile website experience. And then I've started bringing those ideas into a little bit more focus with Crazy 8s and the voting. Now you're ready to start turning those drawings into reality during the prototyping phase. We usually allot about 2 hours for prototyping, and all you'll need for this is your winning Crazy 8s drawing and how might we post-its, as well as whatever prototyping software you prefer. So we often see folks use Sketch, InVision, Photoshop, or even just a pen and paper. For the rest of the day, you're going to apply these new ideas that you've come up with throughout the sprint to your current user journey. So work together as a team to update your user flow, incorporating all of these winning ideas, so that hopefully you will end up with a prototype of a new and improved mobile user conversion flow. After 2 hours, it's a great time to validate your design so far and get feedback. So we'd encourage you to invite coworkers, friends, customers, whoever you think would be a great audience to join for the last 60 minutes of your sprint. Once they've joined, you should walk them through the process you've gone through for that day and how you've gotten to this point. So share the problem that you're trying to solve, the pain points that you identified throughout the day, and then the before and after experiences that you worked on during the prototyping session. Make sure to ask for their feedback with your after your finished prototype design to make sure that there's nothing you missed, that everything makes sense, and to answer any questions. Once you receive feedback, you can either move forward with testing your new design or incorporate the feedback into a second iteration of prototyping before you move forward. We always suggest A/B testing any new ideas that you've put together before you really go live and roll them out to make sure that they do actually improve performance. And after that, you're done. Hopefully you're able to get this A/B test live within a month, and hopefully it does indeed improve your mobile conversion experience. So a quick recap of everything that we've covered. When it comes to running a mobile design sprint workshop, it is broken out into 5 different phases. The first is understand, which starts even before the sprint with the pre-work. Once you get into the day of the sprint, you'll identify the problem, make sure that everyone's focused on the same task. You'll then use lightning talks to generate ideas, use how might we's to capture notes from those lightning talks, and then affinity mapping to group all of those ideas into common themes. During the second half of the day, you'll start narrowing those down into a new flow with the sketch and decide phase of using user journey maps and Crazy 8s to bring your new ideas into focus, and then spending 2 hours prototyping those ideas into reality. Last but not least, you'll end with validating by getting feedback from others, and then hopefully going live and testing your new mobile conversion experience within a month. We'd love to hear from you. So if you do run a mobile design sprint, or if you have any questions, please reach out to us at mobiledesignsprint@google.com. We'd also love to highlight anyone that does run a mobile design sprint on our website, mobiledesignsprint.com. So please feel free to reach out to us with questions, with feedback, or with wins, and we will get back to you right away. So thank you for joining us, and good luck with your sprint. Thanks.